Good day, one, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. And we have a special request today. We're going to take a look at a ticker symbol NCTY, the 9LTD spawns ad, etc., etc. You have the ticker symbol there. I'm going to go over a few details. It's stock that it looks interesting. If you guys are just stopping in here, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel thanks to your engagement and your appropriate thumbs. Thank you, including our loyal subscribers. So yeah, I'm going to probably take a little bit of an extensive look at this stock. Again, the ticker symbol is NCTY. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is February the 5th, 2021, and the previous close of this stock is going to be $23.35. It's up approximately 17.4% for the day. Okay. All right, so of course you guys know our infamous lines are here. For those of you just joining us, that's it. That's it. Okay, I'm going to explain what it is. Again, guys, the yellow line, we go over this a lot. The yellow line, it acts as a major resistance level the price needs to get above. The red line is the critical level it needs to get above in order to prevent from going to zero. I'm not saying this is going to zero. And this green line here is kind of like that longevity line. It's currently at about, well, with a red line, let's go over that first here. The red line is currently at approximately $37. Yes, about $37. And the red line the green line overhead is approximately just under $100, like $97, okay? So I want to get into this. It appears, I mean, it's pretty obvious. Let's just back it out here. This stock has been in a really nasty downtrend, okay? It's been downtrending since the beginning of time. It's been really bad, actually. Starting out over here at about 2004 December approximately, it started out of a price tag of about $623. I'm pretty sure this stock has gone through some reverse stock splits, perhaps. I'm not sure. Just a technicals guy. If you guys are just joining us, yeah, I'm just a technicals guy. I don't have no news here. I don't even understand that stuff. Okay, so it's been walking down the stairs, and it's never really been in an uptrend. Maybe from the beginning of time before it topped out here at approximately August 13, 2007 at about $1,548. It's been walking down the stairs for a very long time. So it appears that it's in a position to shift this downtrend to an uptrend. It appears that there's been a floor accomplished here near the, September 28th over to December 21st of a price approximately like $1.37. Wow. Okay. So right now the price is obviously like $23, and the target overhead, well, not necessarily target, the level at about $37. I think it could reach that level. Now before, actually, I don't even think we went over this. Before you enter these markets, please have a strategy. Please have an entry. Please have a exit. Please have a stop loss predetermined before you hit that buy button. I cannot tell you where to sell. I cannot tell you where to buy. I cannot tell you a month from now if it's gone up 50%. And hey, is it still a good buy? I don't know. I'm not trying to be rude, but I have to get that out there. Let's continue. So the $37 level, I think it can make it there, but I truly think with the close up approximately 17%, if you're not already positioned in this market, I truly think that you should definitely use some sort of precaution. Now, here's what I would do. Of course, I can't tell you what to do, but I would use some sort of scale-in method because I do have some very extreme price targets. Again, I won't disclose. I've already gone over to you as far as this the longevity line about just under $100. So let's take it one step at a time. Let's get above the red line. We'll give you guys a revisit. Of course, remind me in the comment section as the price action develops, and we'll kind of revisit the charts as necessary. Okay, so here's what I'll say in closing. The previous level where there was it appeared to be some sort of rejection was right here at about $15.78. So that would be a level that I would pay attention to just in case there's some sort of imminent retracement here in the markets. I'm not saying it's actually going to retrace. If the market continues to go up to this red line, let's see what a percentage that would be to the upside. About 58%. So that I truly think there's a lot of room to maximize on an opportunity to, participate in the market fluctuations here. But the trick for me, of course, is to buy in at a practical level. I really don't like buying green candles, guys. That's why I wouldn't recommend buying into the stock at this level. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that, guys. You have to do whatever your strategy suggests that you need to do. Please implement that accordingly, okay? But again, the previous level is about 1541. So if there's some sort of wick down to that level, I wouldn't be surprised as the price continues to the upside to this red line. So that's basically all I have. The path is clear all the way up to, let's say, $27 and $27.87. Okay, so the path is clear there. Please write these levels down, rewind it back, guys, and listen to the levels. They're very important. They're very strategic. I never pull them out of thin air. They're very, very strategic. Okay, but when the price if the price gets up to about $28, you should expect a little bit of volatility because I'm noticing there are some sell orders overhead. Let's let this price action develop. In closing here, the range, let me be very specific. The critics, they're just so weird, just like me. The range that the price is currently within, okay, is, we've already gone over this white line, $15.60. If it can hold, it will continue up. And I'm going to expect to see some sort of resistance. That's just my speculative observation. I could be wrong about this. All the way up to $37 and approximately 30 cents. So that is the range that the price will likely be within, as long as it can stay within each level respectively. Okay, I'm going to say that the price will continue to the upside. Okay, please rewind it back, listen to the levels. They're very strategic, guys. That's pretty much all I have for this stock. It appears that it's setting up really nice to continue up. Just expect some volatility, because I truly think if this stock can really get above 37.20, yeah, I think it wouldn't even take longer than 3 to 6 months for it to reach $100. Okay, so let me just kind of do a measurement from the current level all the way up to the green line, because the path is pretty much clear. It's just you're going to experience volatility. A lot of people don't understand how to stomach drops in the market, like 40% drops. I mean, they can experience buying the candles when they're going up, right? I mean, that's the average person. They buy green candles. It's up 30%. Okay, let's buy. No. I don't do that, guys. Most of the time I'm positioned well, and then of course just sitting back, letting the price continue. Let's stay on track here. 315% to the upside from the current level up to the green line is a percentage if the price were to, if you were to successfully enter the market somewhere near or at the current level at about $23. That's a percentage gain that you will be looking to, experience in the portfolio, or in your position rather, if you were to capture this price here at the current level or near the current level. So that'll probably be suggested in the thumbnail, the 315% move to the upside. And we're going to close it out here, guys. Let's let this price develop. You have the range. I was very specific between the white line here, rewind it back, and the red line here. That's the range. As long as they can respect each other, that'll be the range. Okay, and I'm going to say it's going to continue up at least up to $28. Let's close it out here. Thank you for your time, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are invested in this stock. Again, you're listening to someone who has no idea what this is. I'm just a technicals guy, and that's pretty much it, guys. Before you go, we also cover the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, so subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. So, yeah, thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. Execute your strategy, and bye for now.